Hi sis, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Ijoma Florence. For all my subscribers, I heart you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make a simple bridal hair using braid extension from scratch to finish. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, sis, what are you still waiting for? Hit the red button, okay? Give the video a big thumbs up, like, comment and share, and always remember to leave your notification button on. Okay, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Yes sis, welcome back once again to my channel. We are going to work on this 4C hair today. Actually, this hair you're seeing is a year and 3 months old. So today we are going to use our eco styling gel for styling, then our china and jam, and you're gonna see other things as we progress. Okay, yes sis, as you can see, I want to apply some gel on my hair little by little. That's what I'm doing right away, because the texture of my hair is not a rubber type. I don't even know what to call the texture. It's hardly slick down, but since I started using this method, it works for me, because basically this is the second time I'm doing gel up on this hair. So I will apply it little by little, give it a good massage, after which I'll now use my comb to comb it before packing it. So as you can see, I'm combing it now. I'm done combing the hair. Now I'm trying to pack all of the hair together so that I can now apply more eco styling gel. I'm trying to bring all of them together, packing all of them upwards. The texture of my hair is something else. It's not easy, but I have to try my best to see that everything is being laid down very well. So after packing it, I'll now use my rubber band to hold it down first. I'll use rubber band to hold it down first. Then I'll now use my ragtail comb to comb it, to slick it down a little bit. Then I'll now use my crunches to hold it down. That's what I'm doing. See, this video is self-explanatory. It's self-explanatory. Something you can do at the very comfort of your home and self-talking. Okay, let's play on budget. Yes, is after making use of my rubber band and my scrunchie, the next thing is to start applying the gel on my hair. As you can see, I'm now making use of the eco styling gel. That's what I'm applying on my hair now, as you can see from the video. Then I'll now use my ragtail comb to comb it. Give it a very good combing. The essence of doing all these things or repeating all these combings to see that the hair slick down very well. Like I've said before, my hair texture is something else. So, but giving it a good combing like this, always make it to slick down and look manageable. After combing, I also apply some gel on the hair again. Then finally, I'll use my second scrunchie to hold down the hair for the last time. As you can see from the video, I'm using my scrunchie now to hold down the hair for the last time. Okay, after using my second scrunchie, I went ahead to apply some gel again on my hair. Then I now make use of my ragtail comb to comb it to make sure that the hair slick down very well. That's what I'm doing now. I'm using my comb to slick the hair down. Then after combing, I'll use my water to smoothen it. Water works very perfectly on 4C hair. It's good, okay, for smoothing. After using the water, the next thing I use is my smoothing brush. I believe everybody knows this brush. Shoe menders are using it. All these are people that mend shoe. Even in your house, it will be there. It's not expensive, but it works very well when it comes to smoothing. Okay, so I'm using it to smoothing my hair. That's what I'm doing, sis. I think I'll allow you guys to watch this video yourself because it's self-explanatory. Okay, enjoy watching, sis. Okay.
Now, see the love on each face, out there in the world hard to find. All these faithful friends with the love they all show, glad to leave that old world behind. Love never fails, that's promised. It always will endure. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah gives. That's what He is. Love, unfailing love, that's what we need to live. And the love here today, in our heart may it stay. Unfailing love. Though sometimes it seems like the cares of this life weigh us down and feel hard to bear, giving brings us joy when we share faith and hope, comforted by God's loving care. Love will remain, that's promised. It always will endure.
Yeah, sis, as you can see, I'm done. We are done with the bridal hair. Very simple and nice. Now I want to accessorize it so that it will look more of that bridal hair that we are going for. Wow, this is beautiful. This is good. I'm so happy for the outcome. I'm so happy. It always gives me joy when I try something new and the thing came out right. It always gives me joy. I'm so happy for the outcome. I'm looking like a bride already. Wow. God. Sis, look at it. Are you gonna try it? It's very simple. It's very simple. You can wear it to work, can wear it anywhere. Yeah, it's very simple. Thank you so much for being with me all these while I've been making this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, give it a big thumbs up, share with family and friends. Okay, until my next video, bye bye.